What if I told you that 95% of seniors who walk in a certain way almost never experience a dangerous fall? While 1 in 4 older adults suffers a fall every year, there's a small group who seem to defy the odds. Today, I'm unveiling their secret walking technique that might just save your life. Welcome back to Silver Age Wisdom, where we reveal the keys to thriving, not just surviving, in your golden years. I'm your host, and today's topic could mean the difference between staying independent or suffering a serious injury. Every 11 seconds, an older adult is treated in the emergency room due to a fall-related injury. But here's what the statistics don't tell you. There's a specific way of walking that significantly cuts your risk of falling. And I'm about to reveal 6 life-changing techniques that make all the difference. Technique number 1, the power step method. Forget everything you thought you knew about walking. Those long, confident strides you used to take in your 30s, they're actually working against you now. The seniors who almost never fall have mastered something called the power step, shorter, more controlled steps that help keep your center of gravity stable. Think of it like a cat stalking its prey, deliberate, balanced, unstoppable. Technique number 2, the horizon gaze. Here's a common mistake that's literally tripping people up, looking down while walking. Your instinct says to watch for obstacles, but physics says otherwise. Dropping your head shifts your entire body forward, throwing off your balance and increasing fall risk. The seniors who stay on their feet, they've trained themselves to look straight ahead, keeping their gaze on the horizon and using peripheral vision to spot any obstacles in their path. Technique number 3, the rolling thunder walk. This is where most people go wrong. They either shuffle or stomp. But the fall-resistant seniors walk with the rolling thunder technique. The heel strikes the ground first, then the weight rolls smoothly through the foot to the toes. This creates a natural shock-absorbing system, keeps the spine aligned, and maintains balance with every step. Technique number 4, the natural pendulum method. Your arms aren't just along for the ride. They're your built-in balance system. And here's what's fascinating. Seniors who rarely fall allow their arms to swing naturally, like pendulums. No hands in pockets, no stiff or rigid positioning, just gentle, rhythmic motion that counterbalances every step and enhances stability. Technique number 5, the smart support strategy. If you use a mobility aid, there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. Cane users who avoid falls always hold the cane on the opposite side of their weaker leg, creating a strong, stable tripod of support. Walker users, they keep it close and never push it too far ahead. It's not about dependence, it's about smart, intentional support. Technique number 6, the invisible training method. This is the secret sauce. The seniors who never fall are constantly training, even when no one's watching. They balance on one foot while brushing their teeth, practice heel-to-toe walking down the hallway, and stand up from chairs without using their hands. It's quiet, consistent, invisible training that builds powerful balance over time. They're building what I call fall-proof muscle memory, a kind of automatic stability that kicks in when it matters most. The difference between a life-changing fall and confident independence often comes down to these simple, powerful techniques. Your walking pattern is either your greatest vulnerability or your strongest defense. So, which of these techniques resonated most with you? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to start using today. And if this video could help someone you care about stay safe and independent, please share it with them right now. Remember, here at Silver Age Wisdom, we believe your best years are still ahead of you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week I'm revealing the surprising foods that actually strengthen your bones after 60. Stay strong, stay safe, and keep walking forward with confidence. Your walking pattern is either your greatest vulnerability or your strongest defense. So, which of these techniques resonated most with you? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to start using today. And if this video could help someone you care about stay safe and independent, please share it with them right now. Remember, here at Silver Age Wisdom, we believe your best years are still ahead of you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week I'm revealing the surprising foods that actually strengthen your bones after 60. Stay strong, stay safe, and keep walking forward with confidence.